Hi there and welcome to another episode of Ask VSA, where we answer all of your questions regarding singing. If we could help you or someone that you know with their singing, we'd be absolutely honoured. We have numerous studios here in Melbourne with male and female teachers. We also give online singing lessons worldwide 7 days a week. If face-to-face singing lessons aren't your thing, check out the Ultimate Online Singing Course, all in the links below. If you like this channel, give it a like, thumbs up, click like, share, subscribe, do all that stuff. If you have a question, put it in the comments below. If it's a great question, I will do a video for you. Without any further ado, let's get stuck in the next video, which is how do I do vocal trills and runs? Now, I'm going to do this very simplistically for everyone, so mainly for beginners here. So this is not an advanced class, it's mainly for beginners. So trills and runs are used in a lot of songs, not all songs, particularly more so in the R&B genre. They're used a lot more. But, trills and runs really make songs sound a lot better. For instance, Wish You Were Here by Pink Floyd is so you think you can tell heaven from hell, blue skies from pain. Okay, so there are a couple little runs there, okay? So instead of singing it, so you think you can tell heaven from hell, without the runs, as you can hear, it sounds completely different without those little movements and runs. Now, when you're talking the R&B trills and runs, you're more so thinking about the so those classic R&B runs like that. Yes, they are fancy, they are a little bit harder to learn, but today I'm just going to show you very simplistically and easily how to start to do trills and runs. So we're going to go and do a very simple trill and run on just 2 tones. Okay, just going like this. We're going to start down, let's start a bit high for the males. Have a listen to me. It's simply that's all it is, going from one tone to the next. Now, big tip, don't jump. Don't go because then that's not a trill or a run. You got to think that it's a revolution, okay? It's round and nearly slippery, so it's Then what you want to do is you want to try to do these quicker and that's what you want to basically do. So I'll do a couple of these, starting down to the low. Girls, you can join around now. It'd be very low for girls. So I'll do a couple of trills low, going up a little bit higher, and we'll start slower and go a little bit quicker. Okay, so let's do it around here. Guys and girls should be able to do this. Be very quiet for girls, very quiet and soft, a little bit louder for guys. So let's go. And just get that movement. Good. Now we're going to go a little bit quicker if you're getting that. So it's your turn. Remember they're revolutions. It's a little bit quicker. And it's very quick. So that's how we do trills, and that's the quickest and easiest and basic way to do a basic trill. It's also great for sustain and holding that last note. So when you're doing the scale, hold that last note straight. Don't let it drop off. Let's do a couple more, okay? A little higher here. I'll do it slow. It's your turn. A little bit quicker. To make sure you're in key. So do them in the right key. And a bit quicker. It's your turn. So again, I'm just picking different keys out of the piano here. If I was giving this to a student in class, I'd be going up chromatically by semitones, step by step. But I don't want this video to go for a long time, so I'm doing these jumps. Pardon me. Again, we're going to jump a little bit higher. Again, make sure you're doing it in key. So the first one here, this chord is telling what key to sing in. And then I'm going, ah. So remember, it's a revolution. It's circular, not ah. It's not a jump. It's ah. It's your turn. Slow. Now, a bit quicker. Ah. And it's your turn. Okay, this is pretty high. Some guys might not be able to do this, some guys will. I'm putting a bit of a sob to get this here. But girls, you should be able to do this okay, but it is getting high for the guys, so guys, you might not be able to do it. It might be too high. If you can, do it. Or you can do it in falsetto if you want. I'll do it in true voice. It's it's true voice, it's your turn. Then circular, keep it round. Guys, you can do it in falsetto if you can't do it in true voice. Quicker. Smiling, I'm crying. I've got a smile, sustaining that last note. Quickly. It's your turn. That kind of wraps up. That's very simplistically going over trills and runs. Now, after this, we teach numerous trills and runs at Vox Singing Academy, but generally after this, what I would do with one of my students is if they're getting that scale, I would do a run coming down. So this is kind of like your classic sort of R&B run. So something like that, that's what I'd be doing. So let's do a couple of those. I'll give you a couple of those. We won't do many, we'll just do just that, pretty simplistic, okay? I'll do it one more time, then you'll do it. It's your turn. Make it flow, it's a little bit quicker. It's your turn. And one more, a little bit quicker. It's your turn. So again, I would sort of extend that and do that for a longer period of time, but that's what I would extend. And we've got different scales that we do for different trills. We have trills like this. So we have lots of different, depending on what you want to do. But again, that's a very basic foot-in on how to basically start to do trills. If you practice those, you'll get better at them. And then just practice some of your favorite songs that have trills and try to implement them into the songs. Now, if you're having troubles in the songs, a lot of trills, particularly R&B trills, are very quick. So try to think or work out what the person is doing in the song and slow it down. So if it's a very quick trill like, yeah, slow it down and go, yeah, and work it out even slower. Pardon me. Yeah, and then try to pick the pace up. Yeah, and then quicker. Yeah, whatever it might be. Okay, so that's basically how to get a foothold in to start to do trills and to work on your flexibility and also sustain the last notes. Hope you like that video. If you do it properly, you should get great results with that particular video. If you want lessons, if you're having troubles with that, you want to touch base, check out the links below. We have male and female teachers here in Melbourne, also online singing lessons worldwide, 7 days. If not, there is the ultimate online singing course if you're not wanting face-to-face lessons. If you like this channel, give it a like, thumbs up, click like and subscribe, share, comment. If you want a question answered, put it in the comments below. Thank you very much for everyone that's watching the great community that we're building up here. Most importantly, enjoy your singing and your music. Live each day as if it's your last. Peace and much love until the next video. Bye-bye. No edit.